Hello everybody, today in front of me I have TOSCIDO M863 tablet, and let me show how you can change the screen timeout to never on this device, obviously. Unfortunately, if we'll try to do it from the standard set of settings, we'll see the fact that if we'll go to the display category of settings, expand the advanced options and go for the screen timeout, we'll see and realize that the maximum value that we can set by default is 30 minutes. So in order for us to be able to set it to never, we'll use the help of the free Google Play Store third-party app called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar, we'll type in Caffeine. Alrighty, I didn't do it right. Let me retype it real quick. So that is exactly the app that we are looking for. Here, let's go ahead and download and install the application by tapping on the green button. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and open it. And here, basically all that is left to do for us is to make sure that the value that is set at the timeout section is infinite. And that will ultimately mean that no matter for how much time our screen will be in the idle status, as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, it will not automatically lock itself off. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!